Hello guys, we are now on our way to Phu Quoc, Vietnam. But before anything else, it's me again, Cedric, your travel and lifestyle vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries. This is the precious gem of Vietnam. Bali, we are going to transit via Vietjet Airlines mula dito sa Hanoi. Vietjet Airline is one of their local airline and we booked this via Agoda flights for only 3,700 pesos for one way. In fairness, mabilis din yung check-in process nila dito. Even if they open their check-in counter 2 hours before the flight, ay nauubos din nila yung queue. They have a unique check-in process wherein they'll be assisting you in category. Since kami ay foreigner, we were assisted in different line. So nakaseparate kami sa mga local tourists and senior citizen nila. This flight duration is around 2 hours. Medyo matagal kasi nasa south area yung Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Touchdown, Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Believe din ako sa Vietnam, no? Kasi itong airport nila ay modern kahit itong Phu Quoc is an island. So papunta na kami ng Grand World at itong sinasakyan namin ay free shuttle ng Grand World. So if doon yung hotel nyo na tinutuluyan, make sure nyo na dito kayong sasakay. Kasi if magdi-DIY kayo papuntang Grand World ay medyo mahal. Kasi nasa 180 to 220,000 Vietnamese dong or 500 pesos din yun ha. Finally, we are now here at Grand World and you're looking at their own gondola. This gondola is a 400 meters long. Visitors can take the scenic ride along the canal in the gondola. Imagine every morning ito ang view mo. So after namin mag-check-in at magpamassage, ay lumabas muna kami ng hotel to stroll around while we are waiting for the water show. May water show daw na magaganap dito guys. Every day daw yung show that will start from 8:30 PM. Naku guys, huwag nyo itong mamimiss out kasi napakaganda raw. Sabi nga nila rito ay pang world class daw yung at mamaya. Kaunting kaalaman, alam nyo ba na ang Phu Quoc was the world's best awards of 2024 by a renowned travel magazine which is the Travel Plus Leisure? It has named the Phu Quoc of Vietnam as the world's best island in the world after Maldives. Nandito na yung mga actor guys at saka magsa-start na rin yung show. Pabalik na rin pala kami ng hotel dahil tapos na yung show. We need to rest na rin kasi dahil mahaba-haba yung list of itineraries namin tomorrow. Good morning from Phu Quoc, Vietnam. So we are wrapping up na since we are traveling papuntang south end area ng Phu Quoc, Vietnam, which is the Sunset Town or also known as Mediterranean Town. We are on our way to Sunset Town. Since we stayed here sa Grand World area, we need to travel going to Hong Kong. Nasa north area kasi ito ng Phu Quoc, itong Grand World. So from Grand World, we booked a ride via Grab and we paid 400,000 Vietnamese dong or in peso, it's 930 pesos. Medyo matagal din yung biyahe ha. It took us 45 minutes travel time din. Finally, we are now here sa Sunset Town. O diba? Pansin nyo guys, it looks like Italy. This place has the most typical characteristic of a colorful Italian town. Kita nyo naman, guys, di ba? Napakakulay ng mga bahay dito. At mapapansin nyo na nakaslope pababa yung structure ng bahay. Talagang Mediterranean talaga yung design. Nandito na rin kami sa Antoy Station. Ito yung departure area ng Hontom Cable Car. Sayang kasi hindi kami umabot dun sa morning schedule nila. Kaya we have to wait for an hour and a half to be accommodated. Dito kasi sa Hontom Cable Car ay may schedule. Since medyo matagal pa kami maghihintay at gutom na rin naman kami, we decided to have our lunch here sa Cafe Panorama. Nasa tapat lang ito ng departure area. They're offering unique sets of food like pho, seafood platter, chicken rice, and braised beef. Alright, we are now boarding. Saktong 1:30 PM ay nakapila na rin naman kami. And luckily, isa kami sa mga nauna sa line. Guys, pwede kayo bumili dito ng ticket. Pwede rin naman sa online. Ang ticket pricing pala nila dito sa Hontom Cable Car is 300,000 Vietnamese dong for adult or 690 pesos and 250,000 Vietnamese dong for children or 580 pesos naman. Maximum of 30 packs ang pwede nilang i-accommodate per cabin. Napakaganda ng view, guys. May makikita kayong mga residential area, harbor point, at amazing view ng island sa south part ng Sunworld. Grabe, breathtaking view talaga ito. Legit na ito ang best cable car in the world. I noticed na matagal din pala yung biyahe namin dito, like 20 to 25 minutes. Pagkababa nyo sa cable car ay makikita nyo itong little museum nila. Dito nakadisplay yung mga paintings ng Phu Quoc Island. Then sa tapat ng museum ay makikita nyo itong souvenir shop, which I recommend kasi madaming good stuff dito. As stated kanina ay maganda itong Sunset Town, so I will tour you around here in Sunset Town via buggy ride. Sa laking 20 hectares ay hindi mo ito maikot ng isang araw lang. We paid 240,000 Vietnamese dong for 1-hour tour. Sabi ni Kuya Rider ay dadalhin niya kami sa mga iconic photo spot dito sa Sunset Town. And surely, he didn't disappoint us. Look at these photos. Oh, first photo spot pa lang yan ha. Kita nyo yung seaside nila dito. Ang ganda, right? On our next photo spot. Grabe guys, hindi namin in-expect na ganito pala kaganda at kalaki ang Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Ito yung mala Italy feels like na area ng Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Guys, nag-iisa ito sa Asia. Kaya kung gusto nyo ma-experience ang Italy without breaking your bank, then visit Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Matatagpuan nito sa south area ng Phu Quoc. Ang tawag dito ay Sunset Town. We are now here at the famous Kiss Bridge. This is the iconic place dito sa Sunset Town, kaya kung nandito kayo sa Phuket, wag na wag nyo itong palalagpasin. Keys Bridge is expected to be a new symbol, a highlight of architecture transferring the message of nature and tourism of Phuket to the world. This unique bridge takes inspiration from the endless love, the sweet kisses, and the love story of Mulang and Chuk No in Vietnamese fairy tales. Bago muna kami umuwi ay naisipan muna namin kumain dito sa BBQ sa Sunset Town. Cravings din kasi namin today yung Korean chicken and other Korean food. Maganda rin pala yung ambience dito. At saka napaka-spacious din ng place. No lie, these drumsticks are beautiful. They look to perfection. At saka masarap din itong sweet and spicy sauce nila. We are now back to our hotel. So room tour muna tayo, guys. So we are staying here in Vin Hotel Grand World and we booked this via Klook for only 3,500 pesos per night. So once you'll get inside, you will notice that the room is very spacious, not the typical type of a standard double room. Then when you go here sa left side, you will notice that the bathroom is very good and very immense siya compared to the other bathroom ng mga standard double room. Then here you'll see a double bed, and on this table you have your amenities. So let's go here sa gitna, guys, so para makita natin yung flat screen TV with personalized greetings for your stay. So di ba? Ayan, no. Nandiyan yung name ko and then siyempre Vietnamese language. Pero ang highlight kasi is your name na nagdi-display doon. Then when you go here sa outside, you have a very large balcony and you will see the east side of the Grand World. Diba? So mas maganda yan sa umaga at saka sa tanghali, even sa hapon kapag sunset. So yun lang, guys, that is our room tour for today. Good morning from Phuket, Vietnam. So let's have a breakfast, guys, dito sa Ola Costa. Part of our stay here is that we have a buffet breakfast, so I will tour you around here. So once na makapasok kayo, you will notice na may scanner sila and you need to state your room number and face the screen as the system will capture your photo. Diba? Napaka high-tech. After that, pagpasok nyo, bubungan sa inyo tong pastry area where you can see plenty of pastries and jam. And on this side, you will see vegetable and fruits. Then here, you have your main dish. Our agenda for today is we're going to explore more of Grand World. We heard kasi na may mga hidden tourist attraction dito, which is 100% free. So I'm gonna take you on a tour around Grand World via Buggy Ride. This is for free. There are designated Buggy Ride pickup area, so hanapin nyo na lang, guys. It literally looks like Italy, specifically in Venice. It's so weird dahil wala gaanong tourist pa dito, siguro dahil kaka-develop lang nitong area na to. I mean, look at these buildings. All the streets look so beautiful, so kahit saan kayo magpakuha ng video, dyan ay for sure na Instagram worthy naman talaga. So after namin mag-ikot dito sa Grand World, ay nagpababa kami dito sa Urban Park, where you can see plenty of artworks designed by a lot of proficient architects. The Urban Park features the unique works of art that are brought to Vietnam for the first time, with an impressive combination between art and nature. Grabe yung paggawa nitong Urban Park. Majestic siya, kasi yung sculpture dito ay hindi basta-basta. Dito pa lang ay panalo na tayo. Kasi I couldn't believe na this park is for free. Then they also have this bamboo building, which was built from 32,000 bamboo trees. It is claimed to be the largest architecture made from bamboo in Vietnam. The last tourist attraction that we will visit will be the Tin Hoa, Vietnam, a Vietnamese village inspired. Photo spot here is so Instagram worthy, with many stores displaying traditional icons of Vietnam throughout the history, such as the royal costume, calligraphy, and painting. You could get inside the store, freely snap photos and buy souvenirs if you want. Here pala guys yung stadium nila. May show dito ng 8 PM. So if may free time kayo, try to watch their show kasi maganda raw. The show reflects the Vietnamese culture with one major performance and 13 daily mini shows. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. So ito guys, pabalik na kami ng hotel to pick up our luggage. Nandito na pala kami sa airport and we are now boarding papuntang Ho Chi Minh. So that's all for today guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.